pasión para mi gente.
Alright, taco review time. So I'm not gonna lie, this is one of the most impressive things that I've ever seen in my entire life, okay? So they literally, this is on the side of the street in front of Walgreens. Like, if you look around, I'm gonna show you, these guys set up a whole restaurant right on the sidewalk at like a, almost like a, kind of like a bus stop. So they have pastor on a fire spit. They have a grill on the other side. Now, I'm actually a little bit sad that I'm not actually gonna try all of this, but as everybody knows, we review the tacos. We have a taco. They told me to go ahead and grab these two sauces right here. We have this orange sauce that they have. He said it's pretty spicy. And then this green salsa, because you know what? I just like the salsa in itself. And then they have the accoutrement of whatever you want to go ahead and call it. But all in all, like, to watch these guys build this whole entire makeshift restaurant from scratch is nothing shy of actually just amazing. You know, usually you just come in, you eat, you just like whatever, but this one is actually located at 20901 Devonshire Street in Chatsworth, California. It is called, now this one is actually called Los Palomas. They have a total of 7 locations, which I'll go ahead and put all the locations down there, but let's just dive into it. So you guys already know there's 3 criteria for finding the best taco, and that's what we're searching for. We are in the search of the best taco in all of the LA, San Diego, and even the Bay Area, which will eventually make it up there. But for now, we're just gonna go ahead and stick to the LA area. So this is in the valley. Now, we already know that we have the tortilla. The tortilla has to be nice and crispy, but yet a little bit fluffy inside. The meat has to be tender, and it has to have a little bit of flavor. And then, of course, the freshness of the vegetation that goes on top of it. Now, let's get the first bite in and see what's going on. Now, right out the gate, the tortilla on this place is nice and crispy. It's not handmade. Now that's the one that we always look for. We always look for the handmade tortilla. It's not handmade, but it's made really, 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 really well. Next, let's go ahead and pop the hot sauce on here. Let's see what's going on. So this is the orange salsa that they told me to go ahead and get. He said it was his favorite. I'm gonna go ahead and get this as well. Holy shit, you gotta be careful with that orange one. This is a habanero salsa. Immediate kick right in the front of the gate. Burning the shit out of my mouth, but man, is that delicious. And then I grabbed this because I saw this lady grabbing this other salsa, and they were like, you know what, you should grab that one too. And you have this green salsa. Without a doubt, one of the best tacos I've had in the whole valley area. This is an 8.6 taco. They would have gotten the 9s if it was handmade tortilla, but this, without a doubt, one of the most amazing tacos I've had around here. 8.6, Los Palomas, Devonshire, in Chatsworth, California. Come check these guys out. I'm really sad that I didn't get to try the other ones, because the other tacos, they look amazing. But this is the business. And for up to 50% commission rebate, and for any mortgage assistance, link in the description below. I'm gonna go ahead and grab 10 more of these, because this is what you do. You go and eat like 10 of these tacos. Holy shit, that is delicious. I'm like an animal here. I'm like a savage. Los Palomas, Chatsworth. Link in the description below. Come check these guys out. This is worth a drive. To come and have this, I think I told 7 locations, so you could go check out any one of them. Amazing taco. These guys did a great, great freaking job.